Welcome back to the channel. And if you are tired of dealing with that damp, heavy air in your basement or struggling with persistent humidity that just won't go away, you have to check out this absolute powerhouse of a machine. The Avylo 90 pint dehumidifier is built to tackle serious moisture issues in spaces up to 5,000 square feet, making it the perfect solution for even the largest basements or open-plan homes. What really makes this unit stand out is its efficiency. It is officially Energy Star Most Efficient rated for 2025, which means you get that massive moisture-pulling power without seeing your electricity bill skyrocket. It is designed to take the hassle out of maintenance, featuring a convenient top-mounted 2.11-gallon tank that is easy to access. But if you don't want to empty it manually, it comes with a built-in pump and a long drain hose for continuous, hands-off drainage, whether you are placing it in a bedroom, a bathroom, or a damp storage area. This unit is incredibly versatile and smart, featuring an intelligent auto defrost function that prevents ice buildup and keeps it running smoothly even in cooler environments. The operation is clean and intuitive, giving you full control over your home's environment so you can effectively stop mold, mildew, and allergens before they ever get a chance to settle in. It is compact, sleek, and quiet enough that you won't even notice it's working until you feel the difference in the air quality. If you are looking for a reliable, high-capacity solution that blends professional-grade performance with modern energy efficiency, this is easily one of the most effective ways to protect your home and keep your living spaces comfortable year-round. It is a fantastic, long-term investment for anyone who takes their home's air quality seriously. Click the link below for the best price.